Hi, how to create an indicator like this to represent that figure progressing towards the target. So this clearly shows that it's 83.79%. But how to show that? Well, first of all, that you got to set up your target and you got to track the value. So in this case, I link it to a value in the pivot table. And then I do some calculations. So the completions completed 200. So how much is remaining? So use the target minus the here. And this one same goes to here. So you take that value divide by the target. So it's 83%. So now let's create the indicator. So I just delete this. Let's do it again. So first of all, select cell that is empty and then go to insert, choose a donut. Okay, now remain this is like it's just empty, right? So let's go to the format, chart design, select data, click add, and over here you type 1 1 1 1 1, and altogether you need to have 20 ones. Click OK and remove this, select this. I'm gonna change it to a solid line. We use the here. Just go here. You can choose the donut hole size. Okay, that should be okay. Now select the chart again. Right click and choose select data. Click add. The series name is is. Then go to here, delete this, and select this percentage complete, third, and remaining. And click OK. Click OK. Now right click on the new series, select change series chart type, choose is. Click OK. Select the one of the series and select one more time to select only that series. A data point. Next, go to no fill. Select this one more time. Okay, make sure you're selecting just this part. Go to solid fill, choose white color, change the transparency. So now you can clearly show the users that this is the progress. Next, insert a horizontal text box. Press the F2 key, click equal, click on the completed versions, and enlarge the size, change it to the color that is matching this one here, and so there you go. Now if your target is say 350,000, then you can see that it's now changed to 71%. So there you are, and that is how you created progress chart. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.